So zooming and panning inside of CreateSpace is very easy. We have a tool for it right down here. Here's the zoom. And then this little hand here is your panning. And we're going to talk about the zoom first. But say, for example, you wanted to get a little bit closer to the record and the equalizer, right? We can go ahead and select on the zoom in tool. And we can left click, hold, and draw a box around what we want to zoom in on. We'll let go. And now we're zoomed in. And of course you can go further and further. And you also have a slider bar up here that you can use also. So with the zoom tool selected, we can use the zoom slider. We also have the ability to zoom in and zoom out using the buttons provided. And then we also have it where we can zoom all the way out based on the page. Now say, for example, you wanted to zoom in on a selection. Well, first we need to select what we're interested in, and in this case it's the equalizer bars. Go back to the zoom, and now we can click on this button up here, which is zoom to selection, and it will get us really close on what you just selected. Now, if you do need to move your view or pan, we have an option down here, which is a little hand. You can see it down here. We can click on it, and we're able to drag the canvas wherever we wish. All right. Now, obviously, there is a little keyboard shortcut for all of these. The zoom tool is hitting the Z button on your keyboard. We'll give you the zoom options. And if you want a temporary pan, you can hold the space bar down, and you'll see the icon immediately go from the zoom to the pan option. And it acts the exact same way. You have to hold down your space bar. So that is zooming and panning inside of CreateSpace.